Hello, Veena, your storyteller. Today I'm going to narrate a story from Stories of Mullah Nasruddin, and the name of the story is The Lecture. It so happened one day in the city, Mullah Nasruddin was invited to deliver a lecture. And Mullah Nasruddin was delighted that he was invited to deliver a lecture. So he went there and he got on the stage. As soon as he got on the stage, he said, "Hi people, I'm very happy that he invited me. Are you all ready to listen what I have to say?" Then he saw that the people were very unmindful. They were not even looking towards him. Some of them were looking here and there, and some of them were talking. So he felt very bad and he felt actually very insulted. So he said, "Do you know what I'm going to speak about?" And the audience all replied with a big no. So Mullah Nasruddin said, "If you don't even know what I'm going to talk about, what's the use of me coming here and delivering a lecture?" Saying that, he left the stage. Now the people were very embarrassed and they thought, "Oh God, this was something very bad. We called him and then we insulted him." So they took a chance, and the next day they invited him once again. Mullah Nasruddin came and he asked the same question again. "Do you know what I'm going to speak about?" This time the audience, they didn't take a chance and they said yes. Mullah Nasruddin said, "Okay, since you already know what I'm going to speak about, and so you can tell each other what I'm going to say," and he left. Now the people were perplexed. What happened? I think he is really very sad and he must have felt insulted. So this is how he is acting actually. So what can we do? So the following week they invited him once again, and this time the audience were prepared what the answer was going to be. And this time again Mullah Nasruddin went to the stage and he asked the people, "Hello people, do you know what I'm going to speak about?" And half of the audience said yes, and half of them said no. Then Mullah Nasruddin looked at them. He didn't forget the way he was insulted. So he said, "Okay then, since most of you say, some of you say yes, some of you say no, so the ones who said yes, you can tell the people who said no." And after that he left. So it's always to show respect to a person that you invite for a lecture. So that is how he taught the people a lesson. That's Mullah Nasruddin for you. I hope you enjoyed the story.